So a very useful tool to have when you're working with ladders is this thing. This is called the ladder pivot. What this allows you to do is create an even surface for placement of your ladder when you're working on stairs or when you're working on a slope. So let's see how this works. Here we have a set of stairs, and you can see it's shaped so that it fits just right and creates an even platform. Now you wouldn't be able to set a ladder on a single tread here because of the width of the ladder would end up hanging out into space. So the ladder pivot solves that problem by extending the level of the stair, and now you have enough width to place a ladder safely, and this locks into the stair so that it's not going to slide down or tip forward or backward. So it's just a handy tool to have. So this is a great scenario where a tool like the ladder pivot can be really helpful. You'll notice we're in a stairway here, so we have an uneven surface to try to set our ladder up on. The base of the ladder is too wide to rest on a single tread of the stairs. But we also have a window up ahead that we need to try to access. So here's how we can use the ladder pivot to help us create a safe platform to set our ladder up on. It's really as simple as positioning this lip on the edge of the stair. The bottom of the pivot rests on the next stair down, and what it does is it extends the level of this stair into a platform that's wide enough to set up a ladder. So now we have a place where we can position our ladder that's nice and safe. It can handle a lot of weight, and it locks itself into position so it's not going to slide this way and it's not going to tip forward or backwards. So as you can see, we've used the ladder pivot to create a stable platform to set this ladder up. And now it's made it a lot easier for us to get into position to get at this window, and we can clean it safely. It's usually a good idea to have a spotter whenever you're using a tool like this, just for that extra line of safety. And of course, you still need to observe the 4-to-1 rule with your ladder. Make sure that your angle isn't too straight up and down or too extreme, because that can cause safety issues.